Ready.
Hi, this is Paul from Kiln, and we're going to do a series of videos on several different types of controllers. So this is the controller video series. I hope you enjoy. This is the Genesis Spark controller. It's the newest controller by Bartlett, and it's a very basic touchscreen controller, but when I say basic, it's actually a really nice controller. The more I get to know it, the more I like it. So the main button that you're going to use is this center button right here, which is the fire button. On the screen, it's showing you that the kiln right now is idle and the current kiln temperature is 89 degrees. So if we touch the fire button, we have 6 different options here. We have cone firing, we have glass firing, we have heat treat firing, we have precious metal clay firing, custom firing, and then there's a library that has extra firing schedules in it. So we're going to go through a cone firing setup. So we're going to touch the cone fire button. And now we're going to fire to cone 04. So I'm going to scroll down till I get to cone 04. Going to hit the next button. Preheat time, I don't need to preheat, so I'm going to hit the next button. I want to go slow because this is my bisque firing. And I don't really need a hold time at the end, but let's go ahead and put in 10 minutes. And so now we're going to go to cone 04, no preheat, slow speed, hold time 10 minutes at peak. And we can start it. Now it's checking everything and it's going to start the firing program. Here we are with the Genesis Spark controller again. I'm going to show you how to enter a custom program this time. So we're going to go to custom. We're going to use user 1 and it allows you to name the program. So we're going to name it test. So there's the T, go back to the E, S, T. And we're going to save that. Now my first ramp rate is going to be 200 degrees an hour. And we're going to go to next. My target temperature is 300 degrees. Go to next. Hold time is 10 minutes. And then I'm going to insert another segment. I'm going to edit that segment. So my second ramp speed is going to be a little bit faster. Target temperature is now going to be 1,000 degrees. And my hold time again is 10 minutes. All right, again, so I've got segment 1 at 200 degrees an hour to 300 degrees holding 10 minutes. Segment 2 is 300 degrees an hour to 1,000 degrees holding 10 minutes. Let's insert another segment. And my segment 3, I'm going to edit. And now I'm going to go 400 degrees an hour to 1250. And I'm going to hold for 20 minutes. So I've got 3 segments. I'm going to keep this simple. So now we're going to go back to the first menu and hit start. All right, on the Spark controller, we're going to look at one more thing. So let's go to the menu button. And as with the Genesis full screen controller, we've got a lot of submenus here. We've got a data submenu, diagnostic submenu, adjustment submenu, configuration submenu, restore presets, factory protected. So let's go to the configuration menu. You can set up your error codes, your theme, customization. You can set the temperature to degrees Fahrenheit or degrees centigrade. Your cost setup, your start code, just like we had on the full-size controller, and your Wi-Fi setup as well.